Asuntoskettiä Teerilehto.
Yes, today it's the 30th of September 2021, the last day of September this year, where we have Jänislahdenkatu 9 staircase B here in Lentävänniemi, one of the suburbs of Tampere, of course, Finland. It's another suburb that we didn't go to yet, but we're going to today. It was built in 1976, probably or 1976. Turning 45 years old this year, in 2021, and the serial number is VS 4487. It's going to be inspected in the next year, 2022. Because it's 4 per so 325 grams here.
Yeah.
With 8 floors. I like these door numbers.
Same.
They're probably original.
Yeah.
Because they look very much 70s also.
Yeah.
But this has probably changed.
Oh yeah.
It sounds a bit like pop out.
Yeah.
But it's of course not. Maybe it's something with the relay.
Yeah.
I love the style here. Orange like on a passion fruit cake, and then it's dark brown, and then dark like wine red profile doors.
Yeah.
And they're very typical from 1976.
Yeah. Expected pakivais, but maybe about this on our script.
Yeah. Yes, and this is also where, of course, the Tampere light rail is going to be extended to.
Yeah.
First towards Santalahti in 2023, and the year after, 2024, this will also be served by the Tampere light rail.
Yeah.
That's it, and thank you very much for watching. Let's go to the mistakes, C and D, the two other ones.
That's